Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. I'm Mark and our mechanic today is Ryan. This is his bike and we are going to be tearing this thing apart today and cleaning it. And the goal is going to be getting it put back together today. We'd like to take the gas tank off and clean underneath the gas tank. And of course, on top of the cylinder head, it gets dirty and all these lines. We want to take the seat off, take the plastics off, and just to see what we're into, we want to get it all clean. Yeah, it's dirty from a year's worth of riding. It's not too bad, but we want to get it all nice and clean for the next season. And we've got all the tools. Ryan has done a good job of making sure all the tools are organized. Not quite sure how that's going to end up at the end of today, but he's done a great job. So let's get to it. Hey guys, I thought I'd take a break here. We had to change the battery in the GoPro and wanted to show you some things that we found. Dirt, not too bad. Basically just surface dirt, but nothing too baked in. We did take the air box off and of course it is really bad. Look at the dirt. Even with power washing, you don't get as much as you think you do. So that's going to be cleaned. The shock's dirty. We're probably going to drop that and lube it. I don't think I've ever taken the linkages off. And let me see if I can show you the carburetor right below the intake right here. There's a shelf of dirt that we've missed, obviously. So I got a sock shoved in here so no dirt gets in. But basically we're going to go get all that done, take these plugs off, and check them for dirt. I did have a few plugs that had dirt in them, but they weren't past the dust seal. This here, not too bad. Those basically just need wiped off. But everything else is moving smoothly. We just have to continue on and get this thing buttoned up today. cleaning. We've got as much dirt off as we possibly can. We've got all the plastics done, and we're going to be putting the top coat on it. And we've got everything laid out, our bolts and our tools. Everything is lubricated, and we are going to get this thing together. It is now 4 o'clock, and we're going to see if we can get this thing done. It worked. We got it done in a day, and he wants to be able to drive up and down the road real quick. All right, guys, we got it done, but I don't suggest doing this all in one day. It wasn't that pleasant of an experience. It wasn't as fun, but we definitely got it all done. And yes, the garage is a mess, and we're going to have to clean it up. Hey, Brian, are you glad that it's done?
Yes.
There you have it, folks.